Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos. Obviously I'm covering Vechain today. I haven't posted in the last day just because we don't have Wi-Fi in this house and my internet connection, my 4G is terrible. So just bear with us and bear with me until we get our Wi-Fi. But anyway, so daily time frame for Vechain, still in our long, huge descending falling wedge here that started on the 9th of November, and we're still in that to this day. You know, we haven't, obviously this is a bullish pattern. We have our target when we break out, which is at 18 cent, but we're still respecting this resistance line. We had a breakout, but we had wicks at the top, and we know wicks at the top means you're going to drop, and that is exactly what we did. So we're still kind of ranging in this descending wedge, and seems to be holding up this level. Oh, my dad's texting me. We seem to be holding up this level at 0.043, so it is so important that we do stay above that and find a way we can bounce and break out, because if we come lower, it looks like, where are the previous lows? Down here, we could be coming to 0.034 cent, and even lower, the worst, we could come to 0.023 cent. So we really want to hold up this area here at 0.043 cent, else we are going to continue lower. Let's add some fibs on right now. So I'm actually going to go from this swing low to swing high. I'm just ignoring these wicks here because there's a lot more touches here than these two big wicks here. And all we can see is we lost the 0.618 up here. We did manage to get above it, but unfortunately that wick to the top made us drop. And now we can see we came to the one, lost the one. What do we do next? We do come to the 1.618, and we could do something like this in the past, where we come and make a huge wick down here at 0.039 cent. So if we do come down here, as long as we're holding this price level here, it could mean that we could start having a reversal, because we've hit our 1.618. Obviously, if we lose that, we have got the 2 to come down to 0.034, and even worse, so 0.030 on the 2414. But I can't imagine us going that low. I think there is a lot of support here, which we have, and hopefully that can hold us up, especially on the 1.272. So even if we can stop here, that would be even better, and start getting above our 0.618 here. That would honestly be the best scenario. But as we can see, we are still under our moving averages here, our 20 moving average and our 55 moving average. So I'd like to see us breaking above that 20 moving average and the 55 eventually. But obviously, looking right now, we must be staying above this level and this level here. We can see the prices over here. Alrighty. I will just see, let's do top to bottom fib just to see where we need to get above now. So we need to get back in this golden pocket area here, basically. And what could be happening is maybe a double bottom pattern. We've got one bottom here. Are we forming another bottom here? Who knows, but we definitely could be. With our neckline here, we'd have a nice breakout target as well. I'm just going to get rid of that. So yeah, we need to be getting back in our golden pocket area in this zone here. Look, when we were last in it, we consolidated. I thought we were going to consolidate again, but it looks like we actually broke out of that, and obviously we're retesting these lows here, which is fine, as long as we can hold support in that area. So I'll have a look on the 4 hour. So we were in this smaller ascending triangle. I have actually extended the line because we can see that we fell back into this triangle pattern now. So we are in a short-term uptrend, but obviously this needs to hold. And the only way for this to hold, this uptrend in this triangle, is to actually get above and break out above our falling wedge to continue that. Because if obviously we could come up to here and get stopped out and fall down, and we're breaking the highs here, we could come down to that level, like I said, 0.043 cent. I'm going to do another fib here. I'm just going to go swing low to swing high. So on this fib, on the 4 hour time frame, we're in that golden pocket area right now. So if we can hold up here, if you wanted to copy this fib on your chart, you could monitor it all day. It's super simple, just this icon on TradingView, and just go from bottom to the top if you're measuring down, and top to the bottom if you want to measure some up targets. And we can see here that we're stuck in between this level, and that's fine. As long as we can stay above the 0.618 at 0.045 cent, we should be good to continue up. Obviously then getting above the 5 may become slightly tricky, because we've got our breakout line here at 0.049 cents, so we could end up ranging between here as well before going up the stairs and finally breaking above our 0.057 cent weekly support, which is so key. Hopefully we can break above that soon, because then we're clearly out of our falling wedge, which would be fantastic. Obviously, if we have found a bottom now, I can do that. I'll just show you the top fibs as well. This is just theoretically, if we did find a bottom, let's get some targets. Let me just get rid of that line there. My charts are so messy. But the next thing now is how are we going to react to the 20 moving average, okay? Because we could get rejected from the 20 moving average, and that's our sign that we're either going to come back to this bottom support or we're going to go lower. So getting above our 2 moving averages here would be so important to bring us up to the 0.618 at 0.052 cent and taking us to the 0.058 cent, lining up with our weekly support. So we do have some valid targets here that are lining up with some key areas of support. But first, you know, we've got to be breaking above the golden pocket area here before even thinking about getting back up here. We could see further downside, of course, it's always a possibility. I mean, as long as it's carrying our uptrend, we should be all right. But if we get rejected from this 20 moving average, this area, 0.043 cent, will most likely be retested as a support and hopefully not lost as resistance. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Just a quick update. Let me know if there's any coins that are on TradingView that you want me to take a look at. And yeah, what coin you want me to cover next. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.